Hi all, I'm Guru here guys. I'm back to people. Guys, today I would like to discuss with you people about the artificial intelligence, how best we are going to implement to execute the testing project. How the help I'm going to take to work on the testing projects. And what is the difference? What difference I found in the automation using your Selenium and using AI things? How AI is going to help me out? Guys, if you wanted to do work on the testing using artificial intelligence, first we need to know the three terms very well manner. First is what is this LLM? How this LLM is going to work? Second one is what is this AI agents? How this agent is helping us to do the testing? And what exactly this MCP? How this MCP is going to help us to do the testing? Guys, these things, if these three things, if you come to know in depth of this, definitely, guys, it is going to help you out to do the testing. Okay. So let me help you out. Let me make you the brief understanding these three parts before going into the AI testing. Guys, can you able to see my desktop? Just hold on. Let me show you. Guys, can you able to see my desktop? All of you? Yeah. So let us understand these AI terminologies first. First is what is this LLM? LLM stands for what? Then how this LLM is going to help us? Next, we wanted to understand AI agents. AI agents. Then we wanted to understand MCP. MCP. So what is this? How it is going to help us to do the testing? Let us start with the prompting. So first I would like to help you out the 3 points. One is a prompting. Prompting. I mean to say what exactly this prompting means, how it is going to help me out. Prompting is also the important point, important to understand because the information which I wanted to give it to the LLM, that is I call it as a prompting. Let me explain one by one, guys. Then we need to understand what exactly this LLM. Then we need to understand what exactly this AI agent, AI agents. Then we need to understand what is this MCP. Okay. Guys, let us start with the prompting first. So we call it as a prompt engineering. Prompting. Prompting means what? First, we need to understand it. Prompting in the sense the correct information which I want according to my project. For example, see, I am here. Okay, I am here. I am here. Let us understand. I am here being a tester, right? Think that I am a guru here. So my project, I'm executing my project over here. Okay, that is a testing project which I'm going to execute. The information of this project, I mean to say, what exactly I need for this project information. That information I need to talk to the LLM. Means the correct information which I want for my project execution. I may want script to write. I may want some items I may want, and I may want to execute my script. I want certain information. So that correct information I wanted to give it to the LLM. I mean to say, I wanted to give that information what exactly I need according to the my project work. See, I'm starting the testing project work. This is the testing project, which is under testing. Okay. Testing project. I want the correct information, what exactly I need, what is there in my mind. I wanted to present that information, correct information, what exactly I need according to the situation of my project. That information I wanted to communicate to the LLM. That is nothing but it is a prompting. I mean to say, I wanted to pass that information to particular LLM. That is for prompting. Then second point comes up LLM, guys. Let me take that LLM part over here. Okay. LLM. Second point, please. Sorry, LLM. LLM. We call it as large language model. I call it as large language model. So let us understand about LLM. So what exactly this LLM means, how it is going to help us. See, for example, we have, see, this is a LLM. Just you understand, imagine this is an LLM. LLM. See, LLM is associated with particular database. We have a particular database. This LLM is associated with particular database, guys. Okay. I call it as a database. DB. Imagine. This is a database. See, this database is not an ordinary database, guys. This database, it is a huge database. It is a huge database, which is, we call it as a trained database, which got trained. This is the trained database where always this LLM is going to communicate with the database what exactly we need information. So examples of database, examples of LLM. See, understand, LLM is a large language model. Means there is a huge database. LLM is associated with a huge database. That database got trained. Trained in the sense, the information, what are the information I am passing to the LLM, which will get retrieved from the particular database already, which is trained. You got my point, guys? You people are with me. Now, examples of LLM. What are the examples we have? See, we have LLM is called a ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one LLM. Gemini. Gemini is one LLM. So there are so many LLMs are available. So what we are going to do, how this LLM is going to help us in testing. That is really important. How this database is connected to the LLM. What kind of this trained database, how it is interrelated with the large language model, that we need to understand. Okay. First, we understood what is this prompting. Prompting in the sense, just I wanted to give the information related to my project, which I am going to execute, where I wanted to give this information. Guys, listen here. Listen here. This information, for example, I'm here. I'm executing the project. I'm here. See what I'm going to do. The instructions which I'm going to give. This is the instruction sets which I'm going to provide. Means prompting. Instructions I'm going to provide over here. Let us understand. Okay, instructions are here. Okay. Means according instruction, how I'm going, I'm giving the instruction very clearly related to my projects. So what is happening over here? This instruction will go to LLM. Listen carefully, guys. These instructions will go to LLM. This is, I call it as LLM. LLM. So instructions I'm passing to LLM. All the instructions, it's went to the LLM. Okay, just I'm telling you how internal things are working. So this LLM, what it will do, this LLM will retrieve the information from the database, which is, I call it as a trained database, guys. Database, which is, I call it as a trained database. Parallelly, it will retrieve and it will give the information back to me. It will give information back to me. Means there are, if I want a coding, right? So I need certain coding for my automation scripts. What LLM will do? Hey, database, these are the codings which I want from you. Immediately, the LLM is going to help us to retrieve such kind of coding from the database. It will give back to us. See, prompting here, prompting is very important, guys. what exactly the information you need is passing is a really important. Okay. See what happens. See, there are different kinds of LLM, guys. So here you understand that it is a chat GPT. Okay. This LLM is a chat GPT. I am giving the information to the chat GPT. Chat GPT. Okay. This is one kind of LLM. Or I may give this Gemini. Gemini also I can give. So there are different kinds of Gemini. See, some LLMs, see, I will tell you, some LLMs works only on text messages, texting. Okay. Some messages, some LLMs, they work on generating pictures, pics. And some LLM, they works on videos. It will give us videos also. There are different kinds of LLMs which are available in the market. Okay, videos. So what is happening here? Here, if I want the manual test cases which I have under me, I wanted to convert into automation. What I will do? I am prompting. I need the certain scripts, available scripts for this project. What is happening? It will return back. It will take that information. It will get executed over here, and it will, that LLM is going to search that information in the database, and it will give back to us with the available codes, so that I can use for my project execution what exactly I need. If I paste some screenshots over here, I need some automation script for these screenshots. Definitely, I will get a particular codes which are available in the database. But there is a limitation. There is a limitations in LLM. What is limitations? Just it will give us the coding, what exactly I want, but it will not execute. Guys, listen carefully. It will not execute those coding. What are the codings I need, right? It will take from the database, but it will not be executed. That is the limitations of LLM, guys. Listen carefully. That is the limitations of LLM, which will give us the coding, but it will not at all executed. To overcome that, we are using AI agents. Second part comes up with a AI agents, guys. AI agents. So execution part, action parts will take on particular code which I have got from the LLM, will be executed by AI agent, but it will not alone. It will not alonely executed. It will take help of MCP, guys. It will take the help of MCP. There are different kinds of MCP, guys, available in the market. And for example, Playwrights, if I'm using the Playwrights tool, there is a particular Playwrights MCP which got designed by the Microsoft. There are, even though we can generate the we can generate the MCPs, guys, we can generate the different AI agents and MCP. So this is the basic information which I have given you, guys. This AI agents and MCP, I would like to continue in my next session. Please follow my videos. If you have any doubts, talk to me, guys. I'm very thankful to you people for listening such kind of videos. Guys, this is a new technology which I'm going to implementing on the project. Join with us, we work together. Guys, I'm very thankful to you people for joining me such kind of sessions. Guys, let us understand what is this AI agents and what is this MCP in my next session. Please wait for my video. I will come back to you people. Okay. See you in my next session, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm very thankful to you people for listening my video. See you again. Thank you.